The last place you'd want the Prime Minister to be at a time of national crisis. For Boris Johnson, this now a deeply personal crisis too. His coronavirus symptoms worsening, tonight he was moved into the intensive care unit of London's St Thomas's Hospital.
I still have one of the symptoms, a minor symptom of...
This is the last we saw of him on Friday, explaining on Twitter he was still not in the clear a week after his diagnosis. Taken to hospital last night for tests and observation, his condition has continued to worsen. In a statement tonight, a Number 10 spokesperson said, "Since Sunday evening, the Prime Minister has been under the care of doctors at St Thomas's Hospital in London after being admitted with persistent symptoms of coronavirus. Over the course of this afternoon, the condition of the Prime Minister has worsened and, on the advice of his medical team, he has been moved to the intensive care unit at the hospital." The PM has asked Foreign Secretary Dominic Raab, who is the first Secretary of State, to deputise for him where necessary. The PM is receiving excellent care and thanks all NHS staff for their hard work and dedication. Just this afternoon, Dominic Raab said the PM continued to lead the government from his hospital bed. Hours later, he's taking on some of those duties himself.
Well, the government's business will continue, and the Prime Minister is in safe hands with a brilliant team at St Thomas's Hospital, and the focus of the government will continue to be on making sure, at the Prime Minister's direction, all the plans for making sure that we can defeat coronavirus and pull the country through this challenge will be taken forward.
Are you confident, though, that the government is under control tonight?
There's an incredibly strong team spirit behind the Prime Minister and making sure that we get all of the plans that the Prime Minister has instructed us to deliver, to get them implemented as soon as possible. And that's the way we'll bring the whole country through the coronavirus challenge that we face right now.
The decision to move the Prime Minister into intensive care was something his colleagues, his loved ones, his country was hoping would never come to pass. He should be here, and his absence could have huge implications, not just for the Prime Minister and his loved ones, but for the rest of us too. A virus that doesn't discriminate, a crisis deepening by the day. We now face the prospect of navigating the worst of it without our Prime Minister at the helm. Beth Rigby, Sky News, Westminster.